It's break time cards. Time for a break at home edition with the Pokemon. We have the brand new Scarlet and Violet Shrouded Fable booster pack. It's the booster bundle with 6 booster packs. So here are the 6 booster packs. We have one of each art type, which is nice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so we have 6 of them. Going to go through each one at a time and see what we have. I'm sure we'll have some Pokemon card codes. Those are always exciting. And I don't use those, so you're welcome to use those card codes if you so desire. Let's go ahead and get started right here on its break time cards. We have Zubat, Houndour, Inkay, Rowlet, the Night Stretcher Trainer, Decidueye, the trainer for Corliss's Tenacity, the trainer for the Academy at Night. Something interesting there. There's a foil of Tapu Bulu. Also, that was a foil for the trainer, by the way. There's a foil on that one. And the Okidogi EX. There you are. Look at that guy. So now, whenever I open up this pack over here, I can say it's Okidogi. And look at this. Another foil basic energy card. I like it. And we had the Pokemon card code there for you. I posted a video recently where I pulled another foil energy card, and it just kind of took me by surprise because I'd never done that before. I didn't know I just started, opening Pokemon in the last year. I had no idea that that foil basic energy cards were a thing. So imagine my surprise. And there they were. All right, go on to pack number 2. That first pack was pretty easy to open, so that was greatly appreciated. All right. And we have Zorua, Cufant, Duskull, Axew, Sylveon, Yveltal, the Power Glass Trainer, the Power Glass Foil Trainer, the reverse foil for Weevil, and the regular foil for Dusknoir, your green energy, and the Pokemon card code. I'm going to go ahead and move these other ones out of the way as well. I don't want to clutter things up too much. Try to keep things neat and tidy here on the channel. Okay, so Okidogi. I remembered the name. Short-term memory hasn't quite gone yet, so thankful for that as well. Is it Okidogi or Okidoji? I could definitely see it being the latter. Okidoji. I'm going to be thinking about that for the rest of the night now. All right, here we are. Horsey, Cufant, Zubat, Rowlet, Weevil, Zoroark's Machinations, Sylveon, reverse of Furfrou, a reverse of Zubat, the foil of Tapu Bulu, and basic energy, Pokemon card code. That was your standard 2 reverse foils, 1 regular foil pack if I ever saw one. All right, here's the next pack. As always, thank you for every like, follow, subscribe. Any comments are appreciated as well. Okay, here we go. Horsey, Dusclops, Beware, Sneasel, Hypno, 06 Machinations, Malamar, the reverse for Sylveon, reverse for Horsey, foil for Ursaluna, your basic energy, and Pokemon card code. All right, so I imagine if previous experience serves me correct, there's probably one more EX in one of these two Pokemon packs. So let's find out. Or there could not be. I know. It's just expectation. Whenever I buy the new Pokemon, I typically buy the booster bundle just to get a nice mix of cards. There's Meowth, Krogunk, Golbat, Axew, the Binding Mochi Trainer, Malamar, Galvantula, the reverse for Stuffle, the reverse for Dartrix. Here is the EX for Picharant. I'm going to go Picharant. There's your basic energy and Pokemon card code. So we got our second EX. So this may just be the last pack here, your standard 2 reverse foils, 1 hollow foil, but you never know. There could also be something insanely awesome in here. All right. We have Beware, Sneasel, Eevee, Dusclops, Eviltal, Colress's Tenacity, Genesect, the reverse for Cufant, the reverse for Malamar, the regular foil for Cresselia, your basic energy, and the last Pokemon card code. So there you go, 6 packs out of the Pokemon Booster Bundle for Shrouded Fable. I believe next week is another release. Something Crown. I can't think of the first word in that, but there you go, 6 packs. Nice stack of cards. Get to go through those and see what's rare, all that kind of fun stuff. I definitely appreciate you watching. It's Break Time Cards. Break time is over.